The best part is having a selfie stick along with this tripod. Have a look at the Gorillapod.
Light it up and we smoke. Keep me high up off the ground in a haze.
Hey guys, this is the flexible Gorillapod tripod with 360-degree rotating ball head. The highlights are specified on the box itself. I bought this from Amazon for 579 rupees. Check out the description for the Best Buy link. Let's unbox it. There is also a smartphone holder absolutely free along with this tripod. And here is the tripod. The build quality is very good. This thing will really last longer. There is two options to lock the slanting of legs. Just need to rotate the red ring. Here is the 360-degree rotating ball head. You can adjust it 90 degrees to one side for an overhead shot, like the one you are watching now. The tripod comes with universal screws. You can either fix the holder on the ball head or directly to the tripod depending on your needs. The tripod supports a maximum weight of 1.2 kilograms.
Keep me high up off the ground in a haze, in the crowd. We ain't ever coming down. We ain't ever coming.
Take a look on the different options that you can fix your camera device, whatever be it. This tripod has a maximum stable height of 12 inches. You can fix the tripod anywhere you wish. The best part is having a selfie stick along with this tripod. Since all the screws are universal, you can fix the selfie stick directly to the tripod for a better heights. The problem is the tripod won't be good stable. It will swing. If your camera is slightly heavy, then there are more chances of falling off.